2 a.m. thoughts. Nobody hear this but me. Midnight confessions in my head, talking to the past I left. All these thoughts I never said, now they running through my chest. Midnight confessions, I don't sleep. Demons talking, I just breathe. I survive but try to break me. Now I'm free, finally. I've been quiet but I've been loud inside. All these feelings I can never hide. I was smiling through the storm, but I was crying every night. I don't tell nobody nothing, they just see me out here stunting. But they don't know what I carry, all this weight I've been confronting. Every memory replay, every word you used to say. Still I chose to walk away, even when it hurt that day. Now I sit with my reflection, learning from every connection. Even pain had direction, it just took some correction. I don't run from what I feel, even when it cuts too real. I just sit inside the truth till it finally start to heal. Night confessions in my head, talking to the past I left. All these thoughts I never said, now they running through my chest. Midnight confessions, I don't sleep. Demons talking, I just breathe. I survive but try to break me. Now I'm free, finally. I don't need nobody saving me. I just needed clarity. Everything I thought was love was really just a dependency. Now I move with better wisdom. I don't fall for every system. It drains me, I release it. I don't stay inside the prison. I've been learning self-control. I've been rebuilding my soul. Every tear I ever cried turned to strength I now hold. I face myself, no lies, just my hell. I'm free from the weight, finally. I'm straight. Yeah. These are my confessions, but I don't break anymore. I fall.